In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from BingX to Binance. Alright, so we'll start in Binance and all we need to do here is get our wallet address. So on the top here, we'll switch from exchange to wallet. Here in wallet, we want to click on the big yellow receive button. And then we're going to click on receive tokens via address. We need to type in the coin we are looking for. And then on the next screen, we will have that coin's address. So we just need to copy our wallet address here and jump into BingX. Here on BingX, we want to click on the more icon. And then we need to click on withdraw and just search for our coin. Click on chain. And here we can paste in our Binance wallet address. Select our network. So for me, it'll be Solana. And then we need to put in our withdrawal amount and select the correct account. So if it's our fund or our spot account, I have no funds, so I won't see anything here. But when you're done, you'll have the withdrawal option. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.